Okay, for today's video, I'm making a spring roll vegetable over here. Carrots, cabbage, and mayonnaise, salt and pepper. And I put some eggs. Shred it, and then I will mix it. My vegetable spring roll. Then here I mix it. There you go. Bala tayo ng vegetable spring roll with eggs. Healthy. There you go. Another one. Roll spring roll with vegetable. Wrap it properly, make it tight. Put cornstarch. There you go. That's my vegetable cabbage with eggs, potatoes, carrots, salt and pepper, and mayonnaise. There you go. That's my vegetable spring roll for today's video. Oh, with eggs. Done. This final result. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye. And this is my chicken legs. Yummy. Thanks for watching. I got chicken too. Look at that. Yummy.